significance.
You'll be able to see it when it's out. Oh, well, so see if we can get your turbo off.
Yep. So turbo is fucked. Oh, well, that escalated. Subaru is now in A. Because
Holy moly.
it's got a free-flowing wiggly tooth. So she's changing tact and gonna get a different snail. So here we are, out with the old TFO 35 and in with the new TDO 4L. Hee. See if I can get a comparison. It's clean. And she doesn't have a wiggly tooth like old mate here. Good to go. And I guess just to sort of show some of the differences, the size of the wheel is quite a bit bigger on the TDO4 than the factory one. So see if quite a bit of play in that bad boy. Solid as a rock. But yeah, that's essentially going to go onto it. Back to the TDO4, got to get his downpipe. Yeah, so Forester came in for a service, only to find that the turbo was shot. So here we are, swap turbos and doing a bit of an exhaust for a later date for something else. So we'll have to see what that is. It'll be in the video a little bit later. Oh well, first start up and see what it sounds like. No, we won't. Better demobilise it first. There you go. Oh, team, as you would have seen in the video a bit earlier, I've obviously recently got a 2002 Forester XT with EJ20 turbo. So that one there is an automatic, and essentially I was booking it in for a service with a good mate of mine, only to find that the turbo was no good when we got in there. Decided to do a 3-inch downpipe off the turbo and remove the centre mufflers as well. Then just the button to the factory rear muffler for now, which is obviously a smaller size, so it steps down from 3-inch to I think it's 2 1/4. Keeping it nice and still quiet, but giving it a little bit of the Subi tone. Not obnoxious at the moment. Main thing there was didn't really want to be too noisy, especially being an auto Forester, but I do have plans on the horizon, so I've got a little mission coming up next week, as you'll see in a later video, and things will change for the better. So the intention for the Forester is a little A to B mobile for myself, something that's a little bit fun, but can equally load up the kids and head off on a mission. And yeah, still a cool little Japanese car. So yep, you have to watch this space to see what comes of it. But essentially now the Forester's been pieced back together. Just a couple of little things to touch up and a service, and that'll be that for the time being. And yeah, we'll be carrying on a full 3-inch exhaust the whole way through to the end. Just trying to work out a little bit there as to exactly what kind of setup I want to do there. But yeah, cheers for watching, guys. A little bit of progress, I suppose, if that's what you call it. So it's ended up with a better turbo with a TD04 and a bit of an exhaust mod there as well. Not planned initially, but that's how some of these older Japanese cars go. So it's kind of logical whilst we're there to make things a little bit better than they were before. And yeah, so I can keep on keeping on and fighting the good fight with the rolling toasters. Oh, guys, thanks for watching. Feel free to comment down below what your thoughts are, and share this amongst your peers or anyone that you think would have any interest in the content that I'm putting out. It's truly appreciated. I do see you all and reply to the comments. And if you haven't subscribed, please do so. And yeah, we'll keep making these videos so you can see the ups and downs of 90s Japanese cars. Cheers, guys.